Next topic, web browser. A web browser is a software. Software is nothing but a set of programs which can be used to view websites. Website contains multiple web pages. A web browser it is an interface between user and the World Wide Web. A web browser can have a graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is nothing but which can be able to view text, audio, video, graphics. So, some of the graphical web browsers like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera and etc. And it can also be used to, it can also be having it. We also having like a text editor like Linux. It can also download on a single computer, which means nowadays we are having at our homes personal computers, laptops and so on, which we can download easily, which means graphical web browser. It provides many features. It can also use to navigate files, folders, we can download the files, we can download in a PDF formats and so on. We can use a hyperlinks to navigate from one web page to another web page. Multiple tabs we can open. For example, if we open a single web browser, no need, if we want to open another website or another web page, no need to open another website. We can open a multiple tabs. We can open many number of tabs in the same web browser without opening multiple web browsers. So multiple browsers we can open and it provides features, facilities. What are the features the web browser will provide us? We can download the files, and it can also provides like spell check. It can also having an option called multiple tabs option, and we can also have a access, HTML access and pop-up blocking. These are the many different features of web browser. Next topic is Uniform Resource Locator. We can simply call it as URL. URL means nothing but Uniform Resource Locator. It denotes the global network, global address of the documents. Internet communicates between user and the World Wide Web. Internet resource is only possible by which we can identify resources in the standardized manner. A uniform resource locator is used to identify the same resource is nothing but called uniform resource identifier. A uniform resource identifier. So here it is uniform resource locator. It is same as an uniform resource identifier. These can be used to identify the same address of a web page or a website. This uniform resource locator or uniform resource identifier is having a string or group of characters that will be identified resources on the internet. Example is http://www.google.com is an example of uniform resource locator or uniform resource identifier.